Hi, my name is Amir, and I'd like to talk to you about the benefits of learning Excel. Excel is the most widely used spreadsheet software in the world today for data storage, organization, and analysis. It's used globally by individuals and businesses for tasks such as data analysis, financial modeling, project management, and much, much more. I've personally worked in both finance and IT where Excel is a staple product. It's the key software that remains reliable and flexible enough to handle a range of tasks. It's a skill set that's hugely beneficial to learn and improve. These skills can help you handle important individual tasks such as personal finance management, as well as in a business setting, adding value to a huge range of job titles where excellent Excel skills can really differentiate you from the competition. Now, Excel can perform complex work, but learning it doesn't need to be complex. Let's look at three key blockers that prevent someone from learning Excel. Number one, difficulty. You've already tried and gotten stuck and given up, not managed to learn or stay at the skill level you have now because you haven't found an engaging enough learning platform. Number two, you want to learn or improve, but you haven't got the time. Excel seems too much work to really dig into around your already busy schedule. Number three, real world application. You don't get the practice you need that you can apply to potential work and real world problem solving. Let's then look at the solutions that this course offers to these problems. First of all, it's about making your learning easy. If you're new to Excel, then this course will take you on a journey from learning the basics, introducing the most important features and capabilities Excel offers, and then beyond into the more powerful features of Excel. If you're someone that has used Excel previously, but you want to expand your capabilities, then this course will also provide huge benefits in providing an update of your skill set and the opportunity to learn new tips and tricks. Whether you're a complete beginner or further along on your Excel journey, you learn by doing as well as watching in this course, making it an active learning environment. Each video also has a comment section in case you have any questions related to the content. Then at the end of each section, there are quizzes to test your learning. To address the challenge of time management, this course is respectful of your availability and works to your schedule. It addresses this problem as it's carefully structured into manageable, bite-sized videos, typically 10 to 15 minutes at most, which means you can sit through a new topic and walk away with meaningful progress in a short amount of time, and then start again when you do have time. There's no rush. The course will remain available to you to progress at your own pace, and each video ticked off that list is a satisfying marker as you push towards the end. Now, when it comes to application, my background is in the working world of finance where I've used Excel extensively, so I knew I had to make the course straightforward yet complete and practical. Every single video in this course is accompanied by the same Excel sheet that I use, so you can watch and follow along. Even when new functionalities are introduced, you're encouraged to open the matching spreadsheet and follow along. I highly recommend you do practice alongside all of the videos to really improve your skills. For even more practical learning, there are exercises throughout the course where you get an opportunity to put your learned skills to the test, and these do come with a video walkthrough to check your method against or if you get stuck. Finally, there is a project task at the end of the course to create a data dashboard. This aims to test multiple elements of topics you'll cover in this course, and it's a great chance to review your learning and create your own insightful data dashboard. This is the type of analysis that easily transfers to real-world challenges. Expertise with Excel can lead to great new opportunities in your career. With the ability to use Excel skillfully, you can streamline processes, remove inefficiencies, and drive value in so many roles. And because handling and analysis of data is such a key part of organizations and the requirement to deal with it efficiently grows each day, making the Excel skills you learn here invaluable. Let me summarize what you'll be getting with this course. We're going to cover all the important aspects of Excel, the same ones that I myself use successfully. The teaching is going to be step by step to ensure you are skilling up with every video. You're going to learn new tips, tricks, and easier, more efficient ways of working with Excel. Most importantly, you're going to gain confidence in Excel usage for a wide range of tasks. The learning is going to be practical. You're going to learn by watching and following along. And you're going to get the opportunity to practice with exercises, quizzes, and a project. This course provides incredible value, and I'm sure you'll enjoy the material. If for any reason you aren't satisfied, there's a hassle-free 30-day money-back guarantee. So this really is a great opportunity with no risk. By the end of this course, you'll understand the most important Excel functions for dealing with a variety of data, how to use VLOOKUPs, match and index, pivot tables, graphs, conditional formatting, and so much more. The added value to your skill set will allow you to explore increased career opportunities as you add real value with your newfound capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the course.